The Prime Minister today warned that action will be taken against Malaysian companies operating estates in Indonesia responsible for causing the haze. Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad pointed out that such companies must be made responsible for their fires in their properties, even if they are outside Malaysia.
Speaking to the media in Putrajaya today, the Premier said the possibility of passing a law to prosecute Malaysian companies guilty of causing fires was among the matters discussed during the cabinet meeting today.
We did discuss about Jeroboam. We think that we should publicize the actual effect more through government statements, showing where the hotspots are. We also want to take action against those Malaysian companies which have estates outside Malaysia which are contributing towards the haze because of burning in their estates. We will ask them to take action to put out the fires. But of course, if we find that they are unwilling to take action, we may have to pass a law which will make them responsible for fires in their property, even if it's outside Malaysia.
Indonesia's Environmental Affairs and Forestry Minister Siti Nurbaya Baka was quoted as saying that several palm oil companies believed to have partly been responsible for the Indonesia forest fires were subsidiaries of Malaysian groups. Jakarta was said to have sealed off plantations operated by at least 30 companies and have brought criminal charges against 4. Tun Dr. Mahathir said he has not written any letter yet to Indonesian President Joko Widodo on the haze issue. The Prime Minister also said Malaysia has taken a few measures in tackling the effect of the haze, such as cloud seeding, confining people in houses, and closing schools. But there is also a need to find new ways to reduce the haze.
Meanwhile, flight operations at the Sultan Azlan Shah Airport LTSAS in Ipoh were cancelled due to the worsening haze. Airport manager Muhammad Ali Osman said the decision was made when visibility in the area worsened from 1,500 meters this morning to 800 meters in the afternoon. The flights were cancelled as at 9 this morning, affecting 6 flights in LTSAS. It involved airlines company Air Asia, Malindo Air, and FlyScoot to and from Johor Bahru and Singapore. The areas around LTSAS were found to be less crowded as many passengers decided to travel via land to reach their destinations.
In another development, the cloud seeding operations scheduled for today and tomorrow have been postponed. Meteorological Department Director General Jailan Simon said this was due to dry atmosphere and strong winds. The operation would have covered some 200 areas in the peninsula, especially Selangor and Negeri Sembilan. He added that the cloud seeding operation would only be carried out once the weather conditions are conducive. Among the factors to be considered to carry out the cloud seeding operation are clouds, suitable wind conditions, and the right humidity level.